What's up, everybody? This is KingsleyBreaks.com. My name is Jason. We're doing a 2017-18 Hit Parade Autograph Hockey Jersey Hobby Box Series 27 featuring Nikita Kucherov, Ovechkin, one box break, 2 random teams, number 10. So for $18.99, you get 2 random teams, 15 total spots. So you get 2 random teams. No Vegas Golden Knights in the randomizer, but if we do pull a James Neal jersey like this one, we'll just randomize the list again, and customer that comes at number 1 will grab that jersey. And then for just a little FYI, for older teams like Winnipeg Jets, Hartford Whalers, they will go to the teams they became. So if we pull a Solani jersey, it'll be going to the Arizona Coyotes. Whalers became the Carolina Hurricanes, etc., with the rest of the teams that fall in that category. Robert sells it out, gets the last 3 spots. Good luck to you and everybody else in this break. I really appreciate it. And Ducks to the Jets, all the way down there. Let's roll it. We got a 6 and a 2, so 8 times on the list of names and the teams. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After 8 times, that was an 8. Robert, you're at the top. Andrew, you're at the bottom. Alrighty. 8 times now on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final time. After 8 times, Islanders are at the top, Buffalo Sabres right at the bottom. Alright. So Robert, you got the Islanders, Oilers, Chris with the Ducks, Robert Last Bomb Mojo with the Wild and the Jets, Brian Matoy with the Sharks, Sylvia Carmen, you have the Blue Jackets and the Hurricanes. Nathaniel, you have the Rangers. Robert, Last Spot Mojo, Flyers, Panthers, Canucks. Andrew with the Dallas Stars. Robert, you have the Bruins, Preds. Kevin with the Penguins. Robert with the Lightning and Leafs. Chris, you have the Avalanche, Blackhawks. Robert with the Kings, Canadiens, Senators. Colin Matoy with the Flames. Chris with the Blues. Nathaniel with the Capitals. Brian Matoy with the Red Wings. Kevin with the Devils. Colin Matoy with the Coyotes. And Andrew, you have the Buffalo Sabres. So let's quickly alphabetize this, and I'll give you guys some time if you guys want to make any trades. Give you guys a minute or so. Yeah, are you here, Kevin? Are you still watching, man? There isn't really a kind of checklist for this. They just say featuring these players, and look for them. I'll give you guys an extra minute or so. I know Robert's a big Penguins fan, so I'm not sure if Kevin's watching. But if you're watching, Kevin, live right now, we're trying to trade for the Penguins. You have the Penguins. But if nothing happens, guys, I'm just going to have to close it and stick with what you got. All right, so we got one trade down. Buffalo for Sharks. All right. All right, man. I'm just gonna have to close it then. I waited as long as I could. Yeah, no problem. I always like to. I don't mind waiting, you know, for people, but I don't mind waiting for trades. It's just that, you know, obviously we can't wait like an extra 5-10 minutes. But I always do that for customers, especially if it's somebody that they want, you know, and they're big fans of. Cause I feel you, man. All right, guys. So. Here we go. Last spot mojo. Wild Flyers. Is everybody else in this break? Good luck. 7 of 100. Oh, also, sorry about that. We have a trade. Sorry, I'm off my game, guys. It was Sharks for, Sharks for Buffalo Sabres. Almost forgot that, man. Sorry about that. Almost forgot that. So there you go. Andrew traded the Buffalo Sabres for the Sharks, and then Brian traded the Sharks for the Sabres. So there you go. Right before I open this, lucky number 7. Good luck. Yeah, Eichel was box 82. Who knows what lucky number 7 will be? All right. Kind of like to slow roll it. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Another Nikita Kucherov autograph hockey jersey. That's 2 in a row, or 2 out of 3. Wow. I am blown away right now. Nikita Kucherov. That's 2 of them. Out of the 6 boxes I ordered, 2 of them came to me. Wow. Nikita Kucherov. Autograph hockey jersey. And that is going to Robert Mason. The Mason 51, who grabbed a handful of spots, had the odds, and gets himself a Nikita Kucherov. Tampa Bay Lightning. Well, there you go, guys. That was the break. That was lucky number 7. Actually, number 10, random teams. Number 11 will be the last break we have in stock. That is box 4 of 10 out of 100 that I have right over there. So I don't know if you guys want to run one back, but let's do it. KingsleyBreaks.com. My name is Jason. See you guys next time.